how to fix Shopify login problems. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, ensure you are using the correct email address and password. Passwords are case sensitive, so ensure for accidental caps lock or typos. And if you cannot remember your password, tap on the Forgot Password option on the login page and enter your registered email address and follow the instructions to reset your password. Next, check for account suspension. If Shopify suspects unusual activity or if there is a billing issue, your account might be suspended. Contact Shopify support to confirm your account status. And also ensure your Shopify plan is active and payments are up to date. Next, clear cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings by tapping on the three lines on the top right of your screen and further tap on the settings option. Now go to Privacy and Security tab and then tap on the Delete Browsing Data option and clear cache and cookies. Now go ahead and restart your browser and try logging in again. Also try switching browsers. For instance, if you are using Chrome, try using Safari or Firefox. And lastly, take note of basic things such as your device should be updated and you have to be connected to a proper working internet connection. So, this is how you can fix Shopify login problems. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.